Imagine a city where roads, power lines, and communication systems all meet at one central hub, keeping everything running in harmony. That's exactly what a motherboard does inside your computer. It connects, communicates, and powers every essential component. The motherboard is often called the heart of the PC, and not just metaphorically. Without it, none of the other parts, like the CPU, RAM, GPU, or storage, could talk to each other. It's the foundation that holds everything together, quite literally and electronically. At a general level, the motherboard is a large printed circuit board that distributes power and enables communication between the key hardware parts of your computer. It's where your CPU rests, where your memory lives, and where your hard drives and graphics cards find their home. Think of it as a high-tech nervous system where every pulse and signal must pass through. Now, let's dive a bit deeper. Modern motherboards come equipped with chipsets, BIOS firmware, and built-in controllers. The chipset determines what your motherboard is capable of, how many USB ports you get, what kind of storage you can use, and how many expansion cards it supports. BIOS, or its modern version UEFI, is what lets your motherboard boot up and configure your components before handing control over to your operating system. The layout also matters. From ATX to Micro ATX and Mini ITX, different sizes fit different cases and needs. Larger boards give you more features and upgrade options, while smaller ones are great for compact builds or travel PCs. A good motherboard also offers flexibility. Want to upgrade your GPU? Add more RAM? Connect ultra-fast SSDs or Wi-Fi modules? Your motherboard is your gatekeeper, deciding what's possible and what isn't. It even impacts your system's stability and performance over time, especially if you're overclocking or gaming. So, when choosing or upgrading a PC, never treat the motherboard as an afterthought. It's more than a frame, it's the power grid, the airport, and the control center of your computer all rolled into one. Have you ever built or upgraded a PC? What motherboard did you choose, and why?